Hello, Rishabh and Abigail. Welcome to Famous TV.
Hi,
Thank you.
famous TV.
Okay, so your show Divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा is out now, and we've watched the trailer, and it is hilarious. Okay, and आप लोग का banter is something that we really enjoyed in the trailer. And there's something that we want to know, that is that banter off screen also?
No, we're very professional, very polite, and
Well spoken.
well mannered
Yeah.
towards. No, no, no. That's lies. That's rubbish. I think offset we're worse than what we are.
I think banter is all we have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is the foundation of our friendship.
Yes. There is definitely like no joke. And I think 12 years back when I met her also, I think
Yeah.
that is the kind of equation we shared. I used to annoy her a lot. And she's called me out on that a lot of times.
Even I used to annoy you. Yeah, छोटी
Yeah.
थी ना,
But I was also looking out for you. ना, ऐसा नहीं बताना था मुझे.
Yeah.
She was very annoying. But ऐसे नहीं करते ना.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
We both were very annoying.
And the only difference is that Ashu falls in love with Nikki, which can't happen here.
Yeah.
Difficult.
I think
So-
you should call me ma'am also in general. rather than-
Yeah. Maybe you should do something that I can call you ma'am.
Give respect to God.
Yeah.
So, when you guys said that you guys met long back, you guys met long back where?
We met it on the set. Did we meet, or did we meet for like costumes or something?
No.
like that?
On set.
On
I don't
set.
remember meeting you.
I was really happy that Rishabh was part of the show. I mean, I didn't know you as a person at that point of time.
I was
But
happy till
like
then.
somebody my age on this set, because
Ah.
everyone was like, either we had child actors or we had people who were way elder than us. So Rishabh and me, I think we had a lot of fun.
But you're still older than me.
So, what was your first impression like?
First impression तो ऐसा ही लगता है कि he's really like well mannered, very chivalrous. Obviously with time that kind of fades out. No, but I think he's very easy to chill with. I think Rishabh.
So at that time, I think she had done Humse Hai Life. For some reason, I used to feel like I don't know how to explain this, but ऐसा लगता था कि यार I'm working with a celebrity. So I used to feel like अरे ये तो वही है ना जो टीवी पे आती है. Forgetting that मैं भी आता हूँ. But yeah, so
So, when we were talking that you did the horror show called Cough, can you like tell us one really funny incident or like a memorable moment both of you all had on the set?
I know mine.
I know mine. It's not funny. It was one of my most scary. I know you don't remember it. You don't even remember this. It was one of my most. I'm very scared of flying insects, which is why I remember the sequence so well. Like Rishabh and me had a scene where we were in mud. I'll tell you where. Nirlawn. I remember the location also because I was that traumatized.
Okay.
And because it was mud or barish ka season tha, the sequence was that table hai and we're standing across each other from the table and there's one bulb, जो interrogation वाली bulb होती है ना, hanging, and because of that all the insects were around us. Like it was really bad and I remember being so scared in that sequence and we shot it and everything क्योंकि pack up करना था, time कम था and I've gone to the makeup room and cried.
Seriously? I don't even know this.
Yeah, you dressed Radha, all of you guys were outside the makeup room. And then I also remember Rishabh and the dressed Radha having this discussion that हमें लगा था कि ये तो रुलाने वालों में से है, खुद रोने का तो कभी सोचा नहीं
Wow,
था.
I don't
Yeah.
remember.
So that was horrific.
My memory is that we were shooting in this really big well sort of a thing which was created, and Abby and I had to hang. So basically, we were stuck in the well, and the whole conversation, everything was chilling. Cameras are rolling, not rolling. We were just there.
We were hanging by the hands.
Yeah.
I still have a photo of that.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
basically, we were just hanging out.
And then after Cough, you guys have met again for this project, Divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
Yeah. So basically, after that project, Abigail and I, we were friends. At least
Abigail.
I thought we were friends, but then she of course didn't meet me
No, that's not true.
till
Okay,
till
shut
this
up.
show happened.
No, that's not true. We
And,
met. We
yeah.
met before that and we worked together also.
Like in a very nice subtle way, she ghosted me as a friend.
No, I didn't.
Oh wow! So how was the reunion then?
He's saying that, but very honestly, he doesn't remember, like, how we just stopped talking. I think we got busy.
See, Abigail and I met 12 years back. Saram and Abby are dating since 10, 11 years. So you get the drift. रिश्ते में आते ही लोग बदल जाते हैं गिलू. ना. क्या होता है ना कि देखो दोस्तों को भूल जाते हैं लोग ना.
He's called me up and the first thing that Rishabh said, you're dating Sanam. I said, yeah. He's like way out of your league, huh? I was like, what? That's so weird. He's like, yeah, बहुत handsome है.
वो तो है यार और अच्छा भी है वो.
Yeah, that's true. But no, ऐसा नहीं था. I didn't ghost him or anything. Because we've met. Whenever he's needed me, I've been there. He never says that. You should say that. ठीक है? Whenever you've called me, whenever I've not come.
You've called me.
Whenever
You've never come to Hirandani to see me. I'm upset. Okay, तू इधर आ जा. ऐसा कौन बोलता है? I am upset. तू आ जा ना.
अरे एक दिन okay fine ठीक है.
Makes sense, no,
हाँ,
Gilu?
makes sense. I'll keep in mind.
Yeah.
So then, after all of this, how was the reunion? When you got to know that you are casted opposite Rishabh, or you are casted opposite Abby?
Because of Rishabh. So
बताइए आप बताइए
yeah,
कहानी.
yeah. So Rishabh is the reason that I'm doing this show. This should be your like क्या बोलते हैं main page or whatever. But Rishabh is the reason I got this show. He called me one night and he actually called me a few days before that also. And I'm doing this show for Z5 and abhi start hone wala. I was generally catching up and everything. Oh, nice. And in 2 days he called me like, सुनना गेलू ये लड़की नहीं मिली है तो तू कल आजा ऑडिशन करने.
This sounds very bad. गेलू तू मत बोलिए कहानी. लड़की नहीं
क्यों
मिली
नहीं
है.
बोली?
पता नहीं क्या क्या तू बोलती है यार.
But that's what you told me. You want me to say this?
गेलू but
Please,
नरेटिव थोड़ा फन तो होना चाहिए.
अच्छा तू बता दे फिर.
तू एक बार ट्राई
नहीं,
कर
नहीं, तू
वापस.
बहुत फन है तू बता दे. अब ही टेल यू स्टोरी.
तो बेसिकली हुआ ये कि I was auditioning for this part and they were looking for Nikki Kothari and I auditioned with about 3 or 4 girls, right? And for some reason, our director Ankush Bhatt sir wasn't very sure about the chemistry also and the comic timing. So he was not completely convinced. So the truth of the matter is that I think Abigail is a phenomenal actor. And the first thought was that, we should try and get Abby for this and just test her once. So I have called her up and I've told her that, hey, Abby, I'm doing this for sure. But they haven't found their lead actor, which is Nikki Kothari. So I want you to, please come and test. And if you want, I'll come and rehearse with you now. 12 baje the raat ke. But I was...
It was a Saturday night.
Yeah, and you were out.
I know it was a
Yeah,
Saturday
yeah,
night.
no, yeah, exactly. So that happened, and I just get very excited. So basically, for me, now it's almost like if I have suggested or recommended somebody, I want them to nail it. So I was like writing briefs for her and then marking lines.
Outfit, costume.
There are references कि तू ये पहनना है, ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, and all of that. And to everyone's surprise, except for mine, she nailed it. So she didn't get this show because of me. She got this because
No.
she's a phenomenal actor. That's just the truth. But the headline can say Rishabh Chadda gets Abigail Nikki Kothari's role.
But he's been really helpful. I think a lot of my comic timing has been great because of him. Because I've never done comedy and I'm not so funny.
And it is a difficult genre to nail, actually.
I think it's the most difficult.
Yeah, and if you don't have the chemistry, comic timing can go really off, no matter how well the script is written. So,
Yeah.
and you guys have given some really great punches in the trailer, and that's why I'm looking forward to watch the show. So tell us like one funny moment, since it's like a rom-com, a funny moment that you guys had while shooting Divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
So, I mean, the show is out now. There is a scene where, I mean, you can see it in the trailer also, where she says that, मैंने तुमको कितनी बार बोला है हाथ मत लगाओ, don't ever touch me again. So she keeps saying that. So there's a scene where I actually kind of hold her and I save her from falling, and she kind of like bashes me for it. So eventually, in the end of the episode, she's about to fall again. And this time I don't catch her and she falls, and I just absolutely love that scene because Abby is actually fallen and be like, अरे तूने हाथ क्यों नहीं दिया, मुझे लग गई ना. And I just like that over the top comedy in that scene कि मैम आपने ही बोला था,
Yeah.
don't touch me.
That was very funny. That was very funny. I think he's really fun. I've cracked up a lot, and he can maro jokes and then keep a straight face. I can't. So there used to be a lot of improvisation that I used to do, and I used to just start laughing. Like, nahi ho payega. Like, you have to tell me before that you're saying this because I laugh the most.
And I sort of look for her validation. That's also true. But if I crack a joke or do something, and if Abby is laughing, then I just feel like, oh, nailed it. And then I'm like, yeah. So then I feel like doing it all the more. But then sometimes she's like,
Yeah.
very bad.
Mm.
So then,
Like, we expect better.
yeah.
That's great. You guys become each other's own critic
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
monitor each other. Yeah, great. No.
And it's funny because I would never like another actor doing that to me in general. But I think because we work together, he knows me so well. So there's so many things, as he said, that he knows that I can do better. So then वो ये बोलता है तो I'm like ठीक है चलो.
So coming to your characters, you play Nikki Kothari. What is one thing that Nikki Kothari has, a quality that you would like to have as Abigail?
Yeah, I think she's very blunt.
And
very
you're not.
unapologetic. I'm blunt, but then I feel bad, na. Like then I'm like, "Arey, ye nahi bolna chahiye."
You're like a people pleaser trying
I'm
to
a total
place
people
the
pleaser.
boundary.
Yeah. Like I will
Yeah.
make my point, but I'll sugarcoat it and be like, कि किसी को hurt नहीं
But that's a
होना
great
चाहिए.
quality, Gilu.
Yeah, but I think that मतलब I like that about Nikki, that she was so unapologetic. कि बोल दिया तो बोल दिया. Like I remember there's this character called Abdul, and there's 1-2 times when I've been really mean to him. Like he's got me coffee, and I'm like, oh really, तुमसे ideas लूंगी. And I felt so bad even doing it that I'd apologize to him. I'm so sorry.
But you want to take that quality from Nikki. So you want to be rude to
because I
people.
think people take ऐसे लोग seriously ना when you're more like
Unapologetic.
unapologetic. Screwed up.
That's not what she means. She basically wants to get rid of the guilt factor in her life and keep her boundaries and maintain them. That's what she's trying to say, okay?
Yes, thanks, Vijay.
And what about you, Rishabh?
Hmm.
What
Ashu.
quality of Ashu that is something that you would like to keep with you?
There's a line where Ashu says, मैं कल के बारे में नहीं सोचता, मैं आज के बारे में सोचता हूँ. I am not that person. मैं कल के बारे में सोचता हूँ, कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ. वाह वाह वाह, nice. हाँ, बहुत मस्त था. But that's true. Yes, I would like to take that quality. That he's more about being in this moment. I think that's a brilliant quality.
Rishabh, we wanted to ask you that your fans have drawn comparisons between your performance and the charm of SRK, along with versatility of Rajkumar Rao. How do you feel about these parallels?
See, my mind stopped at SRK. उसके बाद को मैंने कुछ सुना ही नहीं है, very honestly. Yes, I am aware that they have drawn comparison, which is brilliant, and I absolutely love it, and it makes me very emotional and extremely happy. But truth be told, Shah Rukh Khan is somewhere that I'd want to be in my life, and maybe I will not be able to achieve it in this life at least, because he's beyond the clouds. But
Are you gonna
I
cry?
absolutely love it. Yeah, I can cry on this. But and also yes, with all due respect, with the whole Rajkumar Rao thing also, with his versatility, I think he's a phenomenal actor, and I am glad to be compared or spoken in the same breath as him. Yeah.
That's great. We have planned some fun activities with you all. Since you all are playing journalists, so we have like a script ready for you, and we want you to deliver that script to us. Okay? But in a very serious way. As if it's like, yeah, serious bola, Abigail is laughing.
All the best. He's
Yeah.
gonna win this.
In a
Hey,
no,
competition
it's not
थोड़ी
a
ना है.
competition. It's Nikki.
Oh,
Life is a
अच्छा.
competition.
It's
Oh,
I have to win this.
life is a race.
I'm ready. Let's go.
चलो.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ निकी कोठारी
और मैं हूँ आशुतोष चावला और आप हमें देख रहे हैं फेमस टीवी पर.
देखते हैं आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर।
ढिंचैक पूजा का गाना अंडे वाला बर्गर हुआ सोशल मीडिया पे इतना वायरल कि पूछिए मत.
मर्डर के आरोपी ने लगाया लाश पे इल्जाम, जो बोलता है वही होता है।
ओलंपिक्स में ओवर थिंकिंग कंपटीशन को शामिल करने का प्रस्ताव हुआ है खारिज.
ओ नो, अब तुम क्या करोगे?
ओवरथिंक.
अंधेरी के ऑटो वाले ने एक बार में भाड़े को हाँ कह दिया। अनबिलीवेबल।
बिल्लो बग्गे बिलियां दा की करेगी पता लगाने में वैज्ञानिक हुए असफल.
गंजी चुड़ैल कैसे हुई टकली, आज होगा खुलासा।
तेरे बाल जैसे घना अंधेरा, तेरे बाल जैसे घना अंधेरा, हो जा गंजी कर दे सवेरा, उस तरह से हुई. युवक बिना टिकट के बस में चढ़ा. ये किसी की बात हो रही है ऐसा मुझे लगता है. टीटी के टिकट मांगने में चिल्ला चिल्ला के कहा, लेवल सबके निकलेंगे लेकिन निकलेंगे उसके जो खड़ा रहेगा यहाँ पे. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है, हम पता करके लगाएंगे कि क्या थी.
So that was great, guys. So the next activity we have for you is called Think Fast. Okay?
Think fast.
Yeah. So you have to, there's nothing right or wrong, but the first word that pops up in your mind after the person asks you the question. And Abigail, think fast like the first word that comes.
Oh my God, it's really okay. Let's do it. चलो, ask away.
तो अबिगेल पांडे, आपका सबसे पहला सवाल, What does the nation want to know?
Gossip.
the truth.
Give 2 different animal sounds.
Horse. Woof, woof, woof. Dog.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
Go to the washroom.
What's the other word for TV?
Idiot box.
Ooh, nice. Name a weird food combination.
Ketchup with dal chawal. Yeah, I had a
What's the
friend.
funniest thing you own?
What's the funniest thing I own?
Come on, Abby, jaldi.
I don't know. I have a case for a banana, like to keep a banana in a banana-shaped case. Yeah, it exists. I don't.
The
Okay,
next question is, whose fault is it?
mine always. It is
Oh wow, why are you always late?
because I'm very optimistic.
What is that?
मतलब मैं हमेशा ब्राइट साइड पे क्योंकि मैं लेट हो ही नहीं सकती. अरे ये हो जाएगा, ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, जल्दी
Clearly
तैयार
your
हो जाऊंगी.
manifestation is not working, na?
आई नो ना, बट इन माय हेड तो आई एम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक ना.
Okay, fine. Why are you so afraid?
बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज मेस अप.
What's your hidden talent?
दैट आई कैन बर्प.
Show us.
Yeah, I could burp the alphabets also एक time पे, but I lost that. I have to work on it, practice.
Such a talented girl, yeah.
I know, right?
यहाँ क्या कर रही हो आप?
यार क्या कर रही हूँ?
Worst gift you've ever received?
Worst gift I've ever received is I get very offended when people gift me perfume. I think they're trying to say that I need it. So yeah.
Why do you think? That's what they mean.
Next question.
Oh.
Over.
What's the one thing that comes to your mind when I say Rishabh?
Shut up. This is not
What
in
is the question?
This is not
It's
in
the
the
13th question.
What is one thing that
Comes to your
one
mind.
word only has it can't
Okay,
be
sorry, I said mine. I should have said, what's the first thing that comes to your heart?
love.
Wow.
है ना?
I'm going to be bad at this. मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ.
No. Okay. What's in your pocket?
Nothing.
Why is it so hard? This is the question. I swear.
I have to do this interview with you.
Oh, make up a word.
Gavel.
Ooh, nice. Worst superpower to have.
Worst.
Worst.
To be able to read people's mind.
I agree. Why are you late to the party?
Where is the party?
Best song to wake up to. Time's up.
Okay, next question.
What's the worst thing to add to coffee?
Worst thing to add to coffee. Oh, what's that?
Just say anything. Haldi,
no,
yaar.
No, I don't like that. गेलू यार.
What,
no, I
what?
want to get this
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Hazelnut होता है, vanilla होता है और तीसरा क्या होता है? एक और चीज डालते हैं.
Caramel.
Caramel. Hate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Blah, 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 blah. How many times have I said blah?
5.
Wow, nice, yaar. How do you flirt?
With my eyes.
Aww. Why did the boss fire you?
Well, he realized I was better than him.
Him? Yeah. Say something to impress me. अरे चश्मे उतरे.
Let me just.
अच्छा eyes
Can
use
you
कर
see
रहे
yourself
हैं.
in my eyes?
Oh,
Says enough.
yeah. Nice. Say something to impress me. Okay. Name 3 words that rhyme with pen.
Send, zen, den.
Sen क्या है?
No, they said make up anything, na?
No, this makeup वाला question was 7
They
questions
said the
before.
first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay. What is the craziest thing you've done?
Rang people's bell when I was young and.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god, me too, yaar. I don't know why we stopped that. Because of cameras? That people put out the-
My round is going on.
Oh, your round is over. That was the last question.
Add questions also, na? Do
Oh,
something creative.
what? Shit. Chalo, you tell me what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Abby?
Chubby Gale.
Oh, I said love, yaar. This is so
Yeah,
horrible.
Chubby Gale is
Chal,
still
wait.
love.
No. I think I won.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
So our next activity is where in a minute you have to tell us the whole theme of your show as Nikki and Ashu.
Amongst all the other goof ups that Ashutosh has done, there has been another.
In divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, where we give papers for marriage that we didn't intend on.
We intended on giving duplicate artificial fake papers, but that wasn't done.
But maybe Ashu did that because he wanted to.
then Ashi was extremely creepy. If he's getting
Is this
married
the show?
to people.
Is this the show? No, tell me. I'm going to ask you. 1 minute, guys.
We must
Is this
find the
show?
reason.
We must find the reason.
Yeah, so
अपनी personal ये चीज़ नहीं
चीजें
डालनी
नहीं
ना
डालनी
इसमें.
ठीक है so yeah an accidental marriage has happened and
Between two people that believe that they are the best.
yes and they're not really happy and excited about it and the struggle to file for a divorce begins.
And eventually, maybe, they fall in love.
Because Nikhat is such an attractive girl.
And also cheating on a boyfriend.
I know
Funny.
that's horrible.
Yeah.
So funny. Time's over. Oh God, did we end on Nikhat cheating? Okay, nice.
So, guys, tell us about your show and the whole.
Well, the show is called Divorce Ke Liye Kuch Bhi Karega. It's a romantic comedy and it is something that you can watch with your family. It's very light-hearted, it makes you smile and laugh, and we've done our, rather given it our best. And yeah, if you have a stress day at work or you just simply want to watch something while you eat and just feel light and nice, happy, please go and watch our show.
Yeah, actually, I think he said everything. So I totally agree with what he's saying. A lot of our hard work has been put into this show, and not just us. There's a whole team that has worked really, really hard towards this show, and we've really enjoyed shooting for it. And I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy watching it. So please watch.
Thank you guys for coming to Famous TV, and we would love to watch your show.
Hi, my name is Rishabh Chadha and मेरा show release हुआ है Divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा only on Z5. Please go and watch.
Hi guys, I'm Abigail, and my show is released Divorce के लिए कुछ भी करेगा on Z5. So please take out some time and give it a watch.